Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Mature. Mature means become fully grown. For example, children mature at different ages. Children mature at different ages. Synonyms: be fully grown, be full grown, be fully developed.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Worms normally go through 4 stages as they mature into adults. Now, repeat after me. Worms normally go through 4 stages as they mature into adults. The second exemplar. Some plants matured more rapidly and developed spikes from the first node. Now, repeat after me. Some plants matured more rapidly and developed spikes from the first node. The third exemplar. In the intervening years, he has matured into a more complete forward. Now, repeat after me. In the intervening years, he has matured into a more complete forward.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The only planet not named after a god is our own, Earth. The others are, in order from the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.